Welcome to Anime Bakery. Today, we're diving into Nomad Sculpt's latest update, version 2.0. One of the standout features in this update is the 3D human figure library. To access the library, open the project panel and look for the preset icon in the top left corner. This is where you'll find the model library, neatly categorized by body parts and 3D human figures for different uses. You'll see realistic and stylized hands for different sculpting styles, various head types, and even jaw models with teeth that can be easily inserted into a character's mouth to create expressive poses. But the most useful resources are undoubtedly the posable figure models. These models have rotatable joints, allowing you to adjust them into dynamic poses effortlessly. Now I will show you how to use these posable models effectively. Let's start by adding a realistic posable female model to the scene. This model includes major body joints and muscle groups. If you check the scene outliner, you'll notice that the figure is divided into 3 major groups: the upper body and 2 legs. Moving one part, like the forearm, will also move its subgroup, which includes the hand. For example, if you move the shoulder, deltoid muscle, the entire arm follows, mimicking real anatomical movement. However, finger joints aren't individually posable in this preset. To adjust hand gestures, use the Cell Mask tool to select specific parts. Then rotate and reposition them with the Gizmo tool, a simple workaround for custom hand poses. Now, let's go over 2 methods to smooth the figure after adjusting its posture. The first method uses the default smooth tool. Start by joining all the body parts you want to refine. Next, adjust the voxel remeshing resolution, lowering it to around 200. If you notice the joints appearing slightly pixelated, that's the perfect time to smooth them out. Use the smooth tool to blend the surface. However, due to mesh relaxation in the smoothing process, the figure might appear thinner. To fix this, grab the inflate tool, switch to a top view, and add volume to areas like the upper arms to maintain a natural balance. Once satisfied, increase the resolution back to 377 and repeat the smoothing process for a refined and polished result. Now, let's move on to the second, more advanced method. Start the same way, join the body parts, and reduce the resolution to around 190. This time, in the smooth settings, check stable smoothing under the vertex option. But why does this matter? If you closely examine the figure's mesh topology, you'll see variations in density. Some areas are highly detailed with rapid surface changes, while others are more stretched and sparse. Stable smoothing adapts to these differences without over-averaging the mesh density, making it ideal for organic models with jointed structures. Now, let's apply it. Smooth out the figure and observe how the joints blend seamlessly while still maintaining muscle definition. This method provides a much cleaner and more controlled result compared to the first one. That's it for today's tutorial. We'll be diving into even more exciting features in Nomad 2.0 in upcoming videos. See you in the next chapter.